Asek, how dangerous is this that, you know, may mga ganitong content, especially the 2025 polls are, you know, coming up. What would prevent, other than that, stepping up itong mga penalties and all?
And also, what are the potential abuses
Correct.
during election time that you are forecasting?
Yeah, matagal na ho namin sinasabi to. There needs to be some, again, this goes into the legislative phase of government na kailangan ho kasama do sa ika-craft nila legislation, and hopefully soon, yung kasama ho yung electoral fraud. Kasi nakikita na ho natin magagamit ang AI sa pag mamanipula or pag susway sa ating mga botante in order to vote for or more possibly against a certain individual. Nakikita na ho natin to. In fact, I was in discussion with a private group, Scamwatch, na ito ho ang sinusulong nilang amendahan ng ating batas. At talagang, if not legislation very soon, hopefully it would come out sa rules soon ng COMELEC when it comes to the 2025 polls.
Okay. And of course, Asek, as we know, there's only so much we can do from a policy point of view, from a law enforcement point of view. The best, I think, defense against these things is for us to be discerning. Pero hindi rin yun ganun kadali. Asek, as you would know, are there currently any initiatives from the DICT, maybe to educate people? I'm not really sure, what we can actionably do apart from people really, being discerning.
Is there a program that can help us spot these
like
deepfakes?
an app, maybe a third-party app?
Yun na nga ho, as we were discussing kanina do sa isang programa nyo, I think Gretchen was there. We're constantly in discussion with these social media platforms because these deepfakes, these fake news need a platform wherein they may catapult their ideas and mislead the people. So, ayoko naman ho pangunahan sila, pero ang masasabi ko lang ho ay they're very cooperative and they're very receptive to the ideas of government and addressing these challenges and concerns. And I think in the very near future, they will be coming up with new policies when it comes to deepfakes and AI-generated content. Gaya ho na sabi nyo, para ho malaman natin ano yung AI-generated, ano ho yung totoo. So, hopefully that comes out soon.